Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove downloaded maps on AllTrails. First, open the AllTrails app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on your profile. This is usually in the bottom corner of the screen. Once your profile opens, tap settings. Now you will see a list of all maps saved on your phone. After you tap on offline map or downloaded map, find the map you want to delete. Tap on remove, delete or trash scan icon next to the map. Confirm when the map is removed from your phone. If you want to clear everything at once, look for the remove all map option. Tap it and confirm. This will delete all the downloaded maps. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.